Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today I am going to present an interesting website which is NAST CV. This is very smart, modern and easy to use CV generator built to help you create a professional resume in a minute. If you are a job seeker or just want to keep your CV updated, then this tool is built for you. Okay, so let's get started. First, head over to the homepage of NAST CV. Wait a minute. Okay, so first of all we have to click get started. Here you can sign up using your email and password or simply log in using Google for quick access for authentication. So I'm clicking on sign up for create a new account. Here you have to give your name. Suppose my name is Ali Haidar and I'm giving an email. uh, okay, I'm giving my email and also I'm giving a password. Then sign up. When the sign up is successful, then you will get a email on your email account. Here this is the email. Welcome to NAST CV Builder. That means your account created successfully. After this, you have to log in to use this website. So I have to log in. Once you are logged in, then you will be directed to this page. Then click on template to create your CV. Okay. After this, you have to fill up professional information, educational background, works, and other skills. You have to fill up all the fields. Suppose my name is Ali. Here, see this is changes real time. Job title software engineer. Suppose I'm giving this email, phone number, and also giving the address. Suppose Dhaka. Okay. Date of birth. Suppose 16 September 2002. Nationality Bangladeshi. Marital status unmarried. Actually, I have to fill up all the fields. Then objectives. Here the random value. Professional experience. Here all that are random value. Education. Then skills. All that are random value just for testing. Languages English, Bangla, hobbies. I have given all the random value. You can edit this easily. Then we have to give the GitHub link. You can support github.com/. This is. You can give the website link if you have. Okay. After filling out your information, click on the download button to download this CV. Here the CV name as PDF format. Then click on the save. Then you can easily see this. Here, this is my CV. You can see easily all the information are corrected. Okay, so you can use it very easily. We use Apita to create clean and high quality PDF. Okay, thank you everyone to see this video.